to the old town and took us 25 minutes. It was a bit. Yeah, the ride was fun.
Hello guys, it's the DN Journey channel. I'm Dima.
And Nika?
Today we're going to show you the best restaurants of Chiang Mai according to TripAdvisor and Foursquare.
Most of those restaurants are vegetarian friendly because we are always trying to find vegetarian food, which is not always simple in Thailand. But here a lot of places, especially in the old town. That's why we came here and we'll show you them.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and a broken heart.
That's basically the frame of the old town of Chiang Mai, these walls. And before there was these thick walls around the whole old town, but now most of them are fallen down and all just the corners and some gates remain. So we are going to the gates to the entrance.
We reached the first place. It's called Cooking Lab. It's some mix cooking school and restaurant.
Yeah, we found it on Foursquare. It's one of the top places for vegetarian friendly food. A lot of reviews told us that it's really awesome to take a cooking class there, and then after you cook the food for like 2 hours, I guess, then you get to eat all of it. And as you cook for approximately 5 dishes, you're gonna be so full afterwards. So we'll see how it goes if they cook for you.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed.
So we're here. So there is a hotel here.
People just chilling near the pool,
We ordered Khao Soi.
which is the soup with crunchy noodles, which is almost always with beef or with pork. Only in some vegetarian places you can find something with tofu or with vegetables instead. Trying this because we really wanted to, but couldn't find it anywhere.
And I also ordered some mango curry soup. Thank you.
I have a soup, these are some chili sauce, these are little bit spicy.
Thank you.
Some lamb or vegetable.
Okay.
Put inside the meat.
Okay, thank you. So it appears both of them are soup.
Okay, it's Khao Soi, and I have some addition to them. It's onion, and I don't really know what it is. Some sauce. It's really cool. I've seen a lot of macaroni or spaghetti like this. All of them served with meat, so I didn't try it. This one is pretty spicy already. And there is the tofu. Pretty great. Thank you. Thank you. So I also have a cappuccino. Some
You can make it
syrup.
yourself
Yeah.
because it's a cooking school.
Yeah. But the milk is right, it's already like boiled. I think. So yeah, I can add it by myself in the cappuccino. Really cool. It's good coffee. I really like this soup.
So this one is mango curry. So I see that there is also some coconut milk.
Mango and curry.
Basically, mango curry and a lot of vegetables and tofu.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's great.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
And they also give us a watermelon. I like this place. People who work here, they talking English, which is pretty rare in Thailand. But it's more like touristic place. The whole menu in English and Chinese, so it's obviously not for the Thai people. And I think it's because also there is a hotel here. Okay, we also get some free dessert, mango
Waiter is
sticky.
very nice. And he gave us mango sticky rice. It's like most popular Thai dessert. We had a lot of food. We feel pretty full and we were happy about this place. But now they gave us a complimentary dessert, and you can't just leave it here. The rice is really hot and the mango is cold and so sweet, and it's really cool.
But it's timeless, we supersede, and we hold in the key. Yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling just like we please. Ooh, getting caught
So now we're going to that place called Cat's Kitchen.
There's supposed to be a lot of different options of food for reasonable prices. Some fresh fruits available too. We'll see.
On the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're
Also food prepared by cats, so if it's busy, you're gonna have to wait for a while.
Okay, can I have fried suki?
And glass noodles with it.
Can I have pineapple milkshake? So this place more like in Thailand.
Yeah, it's a local place opened by this owner, cat.
The prices is really cheap here, so because it's a Thai place, all dishes between 40 and 60 baht.
If you choose some seafood or meat, it could be like 90.
But vegetarian food maximum 60 baht.
On TripAdvisor, it's one of the top places, and also on the Google, the reviews are very good.
Free banana. So I ordered this pineapple shake.
It has a lot of pineapple flavor.
So I ordered suki vegetarian. I don't really know what it is. I can see the glass noodle here and a lot of vegetables. Spicy a little bit. It's egg in there. So basically glass noodles with vegetables and with the egg. Really similar on pad thai, but with vegetables, and I can see this mushroom.
Giant mushroom.
Giant
This one is a glass noodle with vegetables. I think it's similar to yours, but not fried, more like a salad. It's hot. I was thinking that it will be cold like a salad, but it's hot. I also have some mushrooms. It's pretty tasty Thai food. So I'm happy with my order.
155 baht total.
It was a good Thai food with normal prices for, even though we are inside of the old town where most of the places are quite expensive because it's focused for tourists. We paid like $2 for each meal, and the size of the dish was quite big, and $1 for a fruit shake, which was pretty good.
We're feeling the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're gonna run till the end and we run without shame. We own the game.
We're going to another place.
From TripAdvisor,
It's a vegan place called Taste from Heaven.
they have all kinds of vegan food. They have hummus, they have some wraps and Western style food, and we are excited to try some vegetarian burgers.
This one. It's a vegan and vegetarian restaurant. It's an owner, I think. It's a vegan chicken burger. On the last page on the menu, the great vegetarians: Einstein, George Bernard Shaw, Nikola Tesla, and pretty popular writer from Russia, Leo Tolstoy, and also quotes from different people about the vegetarians. I asked about this one, and it's not a real chicken, it's chicken from bean. So I tried this one, and I get kombucha. Nikas get dragon fruit smoothie. Here it seems like we sit under the rain. From this roof falls water from conditioners, but it's sunny. So we've seen happy hour here, and we cancel our regular drink and decided to try some wine. There is a happy hour between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. It's okay.
It's like a Khao Soi. So our burgers arrived.
The chicken is crispy,
Does
but
it taste?
it's not really chicken. But
Does it taste of chicken?
Very similar. The bun is crispy. It's pretty good, but it's cool to add there some sauce.
How is potatoes?
It's a batat.
It's a sweet potatoes,
potato, yeah.
and I got some salad and quite a lot of salad, I would say, and
Yeah.
some sauce.
It's really hard to squeeze it.
It's good, but a little bit like dry.
So this one is good.
Yeah, it's good. My bun is from red beans. You can see them here, and it's pretty good one.
This place was okay.
Yeah,
Can
maybe
go there,
Thai food would be better, but we went for Western food, and in Thailand usually Western food is not so good.
My favorite so far, cooking love. Yeah.
Khao Soi
Khao
is
Soi.
just amazing.
Today we are wrapping up our cafes guide. This one is a bonus. It's our
Yeah.
favorite place near our home.
It's a little bit further from the city center, from the old town, but it's close to our home. And we came here like first time, and then we came here every day because we really love this place.
Even if you live in the center, you need to visit it
Yeah.
at least once. It's a pan.
Besides the cafe, they also have organic shop just inside the cafe, and you can buy some organic stuff.
Small space with tables, and there is a garden where they grow all vegetables. You eat it just from here. There is a picture about how many meters the vegetables goes from the garden.
It goes like 6 or 10 meters from the garden to your plate. It's pretty fresh and really tasty.
The personnel here is really cool. They always smiling at us.
They give you a lot of food. The portions of the meals are pretty big ones. That's a vegetarian place, but if you really want, you can add chicken.
There is a store with a lot of stuff. I'm not really sure what all of this. For example, it's some herb balsam, mosquito spray. Oh, it's pretty cool. We bought it and it works. There's a lot of kombuchas. There is some balsams, some product. I think it's handmade. So I get my tacos, and as you can see, it looks like a salad. Yeah, so many ingredients here, so you even can see the pitas. And also there's a mint honey lime smoothie, pretty cool. We always ordered once for two because it's super.
Yeah, it's pretty big place which really cares about the environment because they give you steel straws.
I got her papaya salad, your favorite food here in Thailand, and sticky rice. You need to be careful because if you just order papaya salad in the usual place in Thailand, it will be super spicy. Thai people eat it with real spicy. You need to like ask for little spicy, or even if you ordered no spicy at all and they didn't clean a bowl with where they push the salad, it will be spicy. That's it for our food trip around Chiang Mai. It was not ultimate guide about one of the best places in Chiang Mai. We just share our experience, what we found.
And we tried some local food, but if you really want to find some Western food, some fusion food, there are a lot of places you can try, and probably you'll find some good ones because there are like so wide range of choices in the old town of Chiang Mai. It probably will be pricey. You just go for it and you try it for yourself.
Thailand and Chiang Mai especially, it's a perfect place to try a lot of different food. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in new videos, make sure you push the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like it. Bye, see you in the next one.
See ya!